A workers' comp claim can, in some cases, negatively affect your personal injury claim, and here's why. If you are on the job and you're driving to go deliver something as part of your job and somebody runs a red light and hits you, you now have two claims. Because you were on the job, you have a workers' comp claim, and because the person who ran the red light was at fault, you have a claim against them. So there's two different claims. Now, traditionally, workers' comp carriers, if you pursue a claim against them, they will then send you to the doctors of their choice. And as much as we don't want to believe it, those doctors generally, in the way they write their reports, are more favorable to the employer and the insurance company because that's who pays them. And so many times we see that workers' comp clients who go on those dual claim paths can get medical records from the workers' comp doctors that minimize the injuries from the accident. And so sometimes we will recommend the client not pursue a workers' comp claim and just pursue a personal injury claim, go to doctors of their choice who have their best interest at heart.